We've all heard the saying that carrots are good for our eyes, but what about beetroot? Let's uncover the truth about these two popular vegetables and their impact on eyesight. Carrots contain beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body. This vitamin is essential for good eyesight and helps to prevent conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. Beetroot contains nitrates, which can increase blood flow to the eyes and improve vision. It also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, which are antioxidants that help to protect the eyes from damage. While carrots and beetroot are both beneficial for eyesight, they should be consumed as part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits and vegetables. Eating too many carrots can actually turn your skin yellow-orange due to excess beta-carotene. But this is not harmful and will go away once consumption is reduced. So, don't forget to include carrots and beetroot in your diet for their eye-boosting benefits. But remember to also eat a variety of other colorful fruits and vegetables for optimal health. Eating a healthy diet is essential for maintaining good eyesight. And including carrots and beetroot can be a great addition to your daily routine. Thank you for watching.